Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so if you are new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you how I did my fake nails at home. So this is just a murang DIY fake nails, guys. Yeah, so if you wanna know where I bought it and paano ko siya ginawa, then just keep on watching. I have here my one box full cover of fake nails. Yan, it has 100 pieces of fake nails. Yung design niya is coffin shape. Yan, so I bought it sa Shopee and it only cost me 75 pesos and is super worth it kasi 100 pieces na siya, marami siyang panggagamitan. And also, I have here my 10 pieces of nail glue. Yan, so it only cost me 64 pesos. So, super worth it. So, let's start, guys. So, I already chose the sizes of my nails. Yan, so para hindi na tayo matagalan pa. Yan, sa thumb ko is I chose number 4. Sa index finger ko is 7. Sa middle finger ko is 6. Sa ring finger ko is 8. And sa pinky is 9. So, yan. Yung mga sizes na napili ko. So, I'm just grabbing my nail glue. Yan. So, magdidikit na tayo sa nails, guys. So, this is just my way of doing it. So, hindi ako professional. I'm just showing you how I do mine. Yan. Naglagay lang ako ng small amount. Just a small amount will do. Lalagyan natin is yung sa pinky finger ko. Diyan. Ganyan lang yung pagdikit ko. Pa-slide down. And I let it press for about 10 seconds para madikit talaga siya. So, ayan. Ganyan lang yung pagdikit niya. Super dali lang. Stress-free na siya. And it also perfect sa mga beginners dyan na gusto ding magkaroon ng fake nails. So, yan. Yung next na lalagyan natin is yung sa ring finger. Same process lang din siya, guys. Slide down. Then, just press it for about 10 seconds. Yan. So, super dali lang niya. And, yeah. Just enjoy watching. finally done, guys. Look how cutie my nails is. Yung color niya nga pala, guys, is white. So, next na gagawin natin is kukuha ko ng nail shaper because yung tip ng nails ko is my harsh lines dyan. So, kailangan natin niyang i-shape hanggang sa mawala yung ano niya, yung harsh line niya sa tips. So I think we are done now, and next I'm gonna go in and grab my nail polish, which is yung color na pinili ko is yung tan, and ito yung colorless for na second ko. So yung gagawin ko lang muna guys, yung sa right hand ko kasi struggle akong maglagay dyan. Yan. So hindi ko lang ipakikita sa inyo, maglalagay lang ako off cam, and sa left hand ipakikita ko sa inyo mamaya, and I'll be back, guys. So, yan. Tapos na, guys. So, yan. Struggle ako na pag-apply dyan. Yan. See how elegant yung nails ko. So, next na lalagyan ko na is yung sa left hand ko. Yan. So we're done now, guys. So I'm using this nail polish corrector pin remover. So I bought this sa Shopee din. Same shop na pinabilhan ko ng mga fake nails. So yan, I only bought this for only 36 pesos and it's super worth it because it is reusable. And we are finally done now, guys. And see how elegant it is sa kamay. Yan. And diba, sobrang sophisticated niya tignan. Parang hindi mo akalain na sobrang mura lang niya pala. And it all cost me 176 pesos. Yan, sa ganyang halaga. that's it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, see you on my next video.